Greetings. Today we are going to learn about the IC555 timer integrated circuit. The IC555 timer is a special type of integrated circuit. It is used in different applications like an oscillator, pulse generator, timer, etc. These ICs are used as an astable and monostable multivibrator, DC to DC converters, tachometers, analog frequency meters, voltage regulators, temperature controlled and measurement devices. The design of IC555 timer can be done by using various electrical and electronic components like transistors, resistors, diode and a flip-flop. The pin diagram of IC555 timer is shown in figure. It has the 8 pin. The pin number 1 is called the ground. All the terminal voltage is measured with respect to ground. Second is the trigger. When a trigger voltage is applied to the pin number 2 to control the amplitude of the output voltage. Pin number 3 is a output pin. In this case, the output load is connected in the pin number 3. Next, reset. A negative going pulse is given to the pin number 4. The 555 timer is disabled. Next, pin number 5 is control voltage. When a control voltage is given to the pin number 5, in order to control the trigger voltage, threshold voltage and output voltage. Pin number 7 is the discharge. Here, transistor, internal transistor is connected in the pin number 7. It is used to charging and discharging the capacitor connected in the pin number 7. Pin number 8 is the supply voltage. The range of supply voltage ranges from 5 to 15 volt. Features of IC555 timer. The main features of the IC555 timer are operating modes. The IC555 timer operating in 3 modes: monostable operating mode, astable operating mode and bistable operating mode. These are the operating modes of the 555 timer. Next, the 555 timer is available in 3 packages. They are 8 pin metal can, 8 pin mini dip and 14 pin dip. Each 555 timer provides the time delay ranges from microseconds to hour. 555 timer has a very high temperature stability. A timer provides the high current output and low cost. Functional diagram of 555 timer. The functional diagram of 555 IC timer consists of 2 operational amplifier, voltage comparators, resistive voltage divider network, SR flip-flop and a discharging transistor Q1. The voltage divider network consists of 3 resistors, 3 5 kilo ohm resistor. Hence, this IC is called as the 555 IC timer. We know that the voltage divider network is used to divide the supply voltage. For example, here the VCC is applied across the voltage divider. This VCC divided into 3 5 kilo ohm resistor, equally divided into 3 5 kilo ohm resistor. Next, voltage comparator. We know that the comparator compare the 2 input signal and give the output signal. The comparator has the 2 input, inverting and non-inverting input terminal. The non-inverting terminal input voltage is greater than inverting terminal voltage. Such a condition, the comparator producing the positive output. Similarly, the non-inverting terminal voltage less than inverting terminal voltage. Such a condition, the comparator producing the negative output voltage. Next, flip-flop. We know that the flip-flop operation. Here using the SR flip-flop. The SR flip-flop has 2 input and 2 output. The input are S, set and reset. and output are Q and Q bar. The truth table of the SR flip-flop is shown in figure. Here S and R are the input. The Q1 is the previous output. The Q1 plus 1 is the present output. When S equal to 0, R equal to 0 are given. When the input S equal to 0 and R equal to 0 are given. In such condition, the present output is equal to the previous output. When S equal to 0, that is set equal to 0 and R equal to 1, reset input equal to 1 are given. Such a condition, the output is the 0. When S equal to 1, R equal to 0, such a condition, the present output equal to 1. When S equal to 1, R equal to 0 are given. It is the, in this case, the output is the forbidden. It is the invalid output. The pin number of 555 IC timer 7 is the discharge pin. This discharge pin is internally connected to the transistor and externally connected to the capacitor. Here the transistor, the input is the positive voltage, that is the base is the positive. Such a condition, the transistor act as the closed switch. Such a condition, the capacitor discharged through the transistor, that is the capacitor short circuited, it is connected to the ground. When the base voltage is the negative, such a condition, the transistor act as the open switch. In this case, the capacitor charging. A voltage divider network using 3 5 kilo ohm internal resistors. It provides the bias voltage to the upper comparator and the lower comparator. The voltage divider network provides the 2/3 VCC voltage to upper comparator, and also it provides the 1/3 VCC bias voltage to lower comparator, where VCC is the supply voltage.